What did Daddy say?
He's coming.
Come here. What did Daddy say? Did Daddy say we'll go to have fun? Is that what he said? And what did you say?
Yes, that's a great idea.
It's a great idea? Nag-harden siya guys dito. Oh. Grabe. Like very, pag ginahawakan ko siya ng ganun, parang nahahawakan ko na ang ewan ko ang ulo or tuhod or lubot ni baby Celine. So now we can brush our teeth and get ready for bed, okay?
Can you read me your storybook?
Do you want me to read your storybook?
Yes.
It's midnight already and Daddy's already asleep. We just watched the Ariel. We can read the book tomorrow. Is that okay?
We're doing We're gonna do it Sunday day.
Yeah. We'll do it in the morning if you like.
We're gonna do it sun.
Yeah.
When it rains, stop the rains, and it will be sunny, and then you will be a rainbow there. And
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back sa channel natin. Come here. Come here. Say good afternoon, Tita and Tito.
Good afternoon, Tita, Tito.
Welcome back.
To our channel.
Yeah. Can you tell Tita and Tito where we're going?
And the surprise shops.
Where?
Oh no.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Yee. So it is Saturday. Saturday afternoon. Ayan, nakabihis siya. Tingnan niyo yung kanyang outfit. Oh, sabi ng tatay niya pagdating ng tatay niya. Sabi na, ano daw, she looks like Filipino, true Filipino. Stand there. Wow! I love your outfit. I think Tita and Tito loves your outfit too. Ba? Shush! She's going to play. So, kagabi pa talaga nagsabi yung tatay niya na dadalhin namin siya somewhere. So, we don't know as yet kung saan kami pupunta. But, one thing for sure, yung gusto talaga ng tatay niya is makapag-enjoy at maging happy ang kanyang anak. Kaya, I feel like we're going to a play center. I think they are open now. Nak, I think we're going to play center. What did Daddy say?
He's coming.
Come here. What did Daddy say? Did Daddy say we'll go to have fun? Is that what he said? And what did you say?
Yes, that's a great idea.
It's a great idea?
Yes.
Wow, you happy? You excited?
Yeah.
Wow.
Squeak,
Squeak, squeak. Pero hindi pa kami nakapag-lunch, guys, and it's already 1:30. So, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, we'll go get something to eat first. At sobrang ganda ng araw sa labas. As you can see, very, yung ating natural lighting is sobrang, maganda tingnan. Like, basta may araw siya, guys. Anak! Put your jacket on first, because it's cold. Ayan, tapos nakapag-makeup din si mami niyo, guys. Nakapagkilay para naman mukhang tao minsan, guys. Kasi dito lang tayo sa bahay all the time and hindi na natin na yung sarili natin. Anak, put the jacket on.
No,
Do you know how to put the jacket on?
I don't want to.
What? Show mama how to put it on, be.
Okay.
Show Tita and Tito, be, like the big girl you are. How to put jacket on. Wow.
No, let me.
Oh, let you? Okay.
Next one.
Next one.
Where is it?
Let's see.
Where is it?
Let's see.
Oh, sure.
There you go.
Yeah, I did it.
Wow, show me, be, your jacket. Come on.
Oh, yes!
Yes! Ang kanyang buhok. Oh, magdatay hair clip na. Tapos, pakita ko ang outfit ko sa inyo, guys. Yan yung outfit niya. Oh, shush, cute mo ng baby. Ay. At ito yung pa-outfit ni Buntis, guys. Oh, Lord. Tingnan nyo. Ilang linggo na lang, guys. Or maybe ilang days. Ayan. Tapos, pink na pink. Hindi kita. Super bright. Ayan. So, nag-muse ako. Tapos, all black dito. And then, ito lang ating pabag. Wala, sobrang laki na ng tiyan ko. Uy, grabe. Oh? Yes, anak. We're going now? Gosh! Excited kayo eh. Where's Daddy?
It's in the car.
You sure what the...
Mommy, I have something in my hand.
Oh, well, you can hold it with the other hand, sweetie.
No, thanks.
Paris, Nico. Ay. Mano ka karon o no? Yeah. Please just hold it for me for now.
No. Alright, that's my baby.
Ano, the girl eh.
I'm not lucky.
Oh, you hold this one then. Thank you, princess.
That's ants.
You're not naughty, sweetheart.
Mommy, I have lots of ants here. Those are ants.
It's okay, you can run. Run. Go. Biyaan kang daddy. See? Just like that. Oh. Just be quick. Just be quick. Whoa, whoa. Come on.
The ants didn't come in my... The ants didn't come in my legs here.
No, did not.
This is just in the...
You're all good, sweetheart.
I'm all good.
All good.
There's all...
Daddy's in the car already, ano? Biyaan kang daddy na. This is daddy. Nothing na.
You want to go see the ducks, pangolins and swans? Or you want to go to the one like the crocodile one? Which one do you want to do?
I want to go to the crocodile.
Yeah, I think so.
A crocodile.
This is a crocodile.
Ayan guys, nandito na kami
I think it's
sa
just cold,
sasakyan. And, hala, dirty man yatong kwan eh. Hi, daddy.
Hello. How are you? Yeah, I think that one's like less cold as well.
Yeah. So, it's now, ano na? What time is it now, honey?
2 o'clock.
Ang ngit-ngit man.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock? Are you ready to have fun? Ah, sheesh. Punta kami ng South Melbourne, guys. Alam niyo naman yung South Melbourne, di ba? So, mga, 25 to half an hour drive. Do you reckon, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. See you there!
I'm right.
See you there!
So, bye-bye.
Why?
A few moments later.
Guys, time check tayo. It's now 2:38 ng hapon. At nandito kami nakapark sa South Melbourne Market. Kasi, pinatakbo ko muna si Daddy Mike. Wala na kasi kaming time, guys, na kumain muna. Kasi yung play center na pupuntahan namin ngayon, mag-close sila ng 4 o'clock. So, we only have an hour and something. Ayan. Pero hindi siya malayo dito, guys. Ilang blocks na lang. Kaya sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, bilhan mo na lang ako ng alam niyo yung jam donuts na pinaka-paborito ko. Nandito yun. Yes, anak?
Can we get some donuts from here?
Yes. Daddy will get it now. Okay? Yan, hindi na makapaghintay, oh. Sabi ko, hintay-hintay muna. So, si Daddy na lang yung pinalabas ko. And then, balik siya dito. Straight kami punta ng play center. Alam niyo ba bukas, guys, ay darating na yung lola ni Paris. Nak, who's coming tomorrow? Who? Can you say it louder so tita and tito can hear?
Lola Karen!
Lola Karen. Ayan. Yung mami ni Daddy Mike ay mapapaaga yung dating sa atin, guys. 'Di ba na-mention ko sa inyo na siya yung mag-aalaga kay Paris. Nag-take siya ng leave. Actually, 1 week daw yung leave niya para nasa bahay siya before yung labor ko. Kasi, 'di ba, kailangan namin na magdadrive papunta ng ospital, mag-aalaga kay Paris. Nag-usap sila ni Daddy Mike and then sabi niya na bukas siya darating. So, tomorrow is the 1st of August, guys. So, we only have a few days until our due date. So, kasi yun yung sabi ni Daddy Mike talaga sa kanya na mas kailangan namin siya before the labor kesa after the labor. Kasi magiging okay na naman kami after the labor, guys. We will be fine. Yung kailangan lang talaga namin is yung mag-aalaga kay baby Paris habang nasa hospital kami ni Daddy Mike. So, yun. Bukas siya darating. And sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike, hala, hindi na ako makapag-vlog nito. Sabi niya, Bakit daw hindi? Alam naman daw ng mama niya na ano, pero parang maiilang ako guys ba na mag-vlog sa bahay, ganun na nandyan yung mami niya. But sabi nga ni Daddy Mike, like, just, you know, don't think too much. Dito. Kita nyo ba si Daddy Mike guys? Oo. Daddy is here na anak. May bit-bit na si Daddy Mike na donuts. Who's coming tomorrow?
Look, Karen.
Ay, Lola Karen. Ayan. So, 4 na kami sa bahay. Pag lumabas si Baby Celine, 5. Tatay.
Not in the car.
Yummy. Punta na kami. Let's go, anak. We'll go to your play center now, okay? Yay! Yan, tapos doon guys, doon ako kakain ito. Yes, anak.
Yeah, we'll go inside the play center first.
Paris! Daddy! Dito na kami guys. Kakapark lang namin sa harapan. Ayan, Planet Kids. Ayan. Oh, diba? Dito sa South Melbourne. I think they're still open. Ayan.
What will eat the donuts in the play center?
Yes, we can.
It will make dirty.
Come on.
Yan na ang ating donut. No? Very, very delicious. Hanapin ko pang ticket machine. Kisa si Mami B. Kisa si Mami. Love you. Of course you can.
That's one donut.
Oh, you can leave. You have to stay here for now if you want to eat. Okay? Careful.
Dada. Come on.
Ready?
Whoa!
Daddy?
Time check tayo guys. It's 4:30. Dito pa rin kami sa South Melbourne. We are getting something for dinner na ngayon. 4:30 na. Ayan. So this is Clarendon Street. Clarendon Street. At gusto ni Daddy Mike mag-chicken. So we're going to Nando's. Nakakuha si Paris ng balon, no? May nag-birthday doon sa ano. Daddy, this way.
She'll only come if we don't eat.
Nak, what are you getting, Nak? What is it?
Chips, chicken, and juice.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go. Whoop! Anak, what happened to your bird? Don't worry, mommy. Katalan.
Are you gonna tell the witch?
Yeah. I'm gonna tell the witch to go away, okay?
Be safe.
I'll be safe. Hi guys, dito kami sa Nando's na. Winner chicken dinner. Chicken dinner na. Ano sila ni Michael? Order. So, wala na. There's lots of it. Yeah, chicken and pita bread. Chicken and pita bread. Have a look. Wow, there's lots of bird. Have a look. Lots of birdies. Yan na, chicken. Chicken. Thanks, Daddy. Pita bread. Ayan ka, Paris. Ayan, Daddy. Bon appetit.
A few moments later.
It's not talking to Kalan lately.
So what did Gorilla say? What did Gorilla say?
Hey,
Is the witch happy or not?
he just so sad today.
Oh, so sad. Guys, kanina pa pala kami nakapasok. Ito siya, nakatulog siya sa sasakyan. Hinintay ko. And yan. Hi guys! Did you have a good sleep in the car? Did you dream?
Nah.
No.
Yes.
What did you dream about?
Butterflies.
Butterflies? Again? You always dream about butterflies. Look, we have to clean up because Lola will be here tomorrow. You gonna help mommy and daddy?
No.
Very naughty lagi ko ayo.
I'm not here.
We have to clean because Lola Karen will be here tomorrow. Alam nyo guys, so nag-aalala nga yung mama ni Daddy Mike kasi nga hindi yan siya talaga nagdadrive ng malayuan. So I think first time niyang magdadrive ng malayo-layo guys sa kanila kasi hindi yan siya gumagamit ng GPS. So she's worried para bukas. So we're trying to na lang bukas siguro pagpunta niya dito, we'll just make sure na nasa phone kami or something para hindi siya mawala. Nakna? Are you excited that Lola Karen will be here? Yeah? Gosh, pushing. Ayan. So, kahapon, nakapag-vlog ba ako kahapon? I don't think so. So, tinulungan ako ni Paris kahapon, guys. So, yung ginawa namin, kaya meron kaming cloth na ganito, is that, inanuhan namin ng leather conditioner yung aming upuan. So, tingnan nyo, very shiny na siya. Daghan kayo ang microfiber cloth. Yeah. Ayan, para luminis ang ating couch. Ang ating chan is parang nagha-harden siya guys dito. Oh. Grabe. Like very, pag ginahawakan ko siya ng ganun, parang nahahawakan ko na ang ewan ko ang ulo or tuhod or lubot ni Baby Celine. Laki-laki na, no? Can you believe it? It is literally, mga less than 2 weeks. Tapos, makikita na natin ang ating Baby Celine. Time check tayo, mga people. Anak ko, what are you doing? Tingnan niyo, oh, my Spider-Woman. Careful, di anak, mataga ka na. The witch welcome na.
I won't fall down.
You will! Be careful. No? Mahilig talaga ito siya mag-cut, guys. Spider-Man ka na? Spider-Woman ka? Are you a Spider-Woman? Yan nahilig mo kayo ka magtambling-tambling.
I'm Spider-Man.
Mag-cut.
I'm Spider-Man.
Spider-Woman ka ka.
Nice.
Sing ba?
Twinkle.
Do you still know how to sing the Frozen?
Mommy.
Do you still know how to sing the Frozen?
Uh,
Nalugay na kita o nagkanta na anak.
We do. I'm saying to the Twinkle Little Star.
Okay. B, twinkle, twinkle.
Twinkle, little star.
With action na.
There's a star in the sky, and dark is the sky.
Remix na po na siya. Remix na? Remix na! Now come here, Nakbe. Nak, tell me about the... Come here. You tell me about the play center. Did you like it? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
There's an apple in
What was your favorite part? What was your favorite part? The slide, the jumping, which one?
trampoline.
Which one?
There's a trampoline there.
The tumbling?
Trampoline.
A trampoline?
Yeah, that's the one I see it.
A few moments later.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I'm the baby Ariel.
It's super late now, guys. It's midnight na at gising na gising pa, oh. Anak, what are you doing?
He's watching Ariel.
Watching Ariel? Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
Oh, it's finished now.
Yes.
Yeah, we can go brush our teeth now, huh? Because it's midnight now, no?
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow again, okay?
It's gonna be sunny. We're gonna do a rain Sunday.
What we gonna watch tomorrow?
Ariel.
We've done the we've watched the Ariel already, and we watched the three. What was that?
Little princess with the Uncle Lemon.
Uncle Lemon. Okay. So now we can brush our teeth and get ready for bed, okay?
Can you read me a storybook?
Do you want me to read you a storybook?
Yes.
But it's midnight already and Daddy's already asleep. We just watched the Ariel. We can read the book tomorrow. Is that okay?
We're gonna do it in We're gonna do it sunny day.
Yeah. We'll do it in the morning if you like.
We're gonna do it sun.
Yeah.
When it rains, stop the rains, and it will be sunny, and you will be a rainbow there in air.
That's right.
Just when rain does the rain outside, the rain stops, and there will be a rainbow.
Exactly. Well, come on. I have to go to the bathroom now, huh?
It's yes.
Okay.
I mean, brush my teeth,
Yeah.
and Corella's won't come.
That's right. Let's go. So Corella won't come. Brush the teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush. So we're gonna brush our teeth now, guys. So we can go to bed. Actually, mag-shout out muna tayo. Para makapag-toothbrush na. Mag-shout out muna tayo para makapag-toothbrush na rin si Mami. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Let's just do a shout out. First one is Luzlyn De La Cruz. Shout out to Balistoy Jocelyn, Race Channel, Jazz Akoshizuk, Gina De Travel, Kitty Kong, Ronan 01 Vlog, Carlota Pedro, Molly Navidad, Annalie Adana, Jenny Rose Parian Peralta, Marilo Arsinue, Helen Sonico, Jacqueline San Juan, Erica Peralta, Yet Balino, Novero Yoli, Maricar Castaneda, Cleo Marie Barrios, Leta La Cuesta, Monica Abrigos, Amelita Balajay, and Cecile Regalado. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Honey, this way, they can see you. This way. Thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. What did you say now? To be a part of this?
Funny.
hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you